There are 500 new diabetics diagnosed every day in Australia. And I don't think the US is very much different. In fact, there's hardly a home that's not affected. And what's our $1 million question? Why? Because remember, Newton's third law of motion states that to every action, there's an equal and an opposite reaction. There's always a reason.
Managing diabetes involves more than just medication. Lifestyle and dietary choices play a crucial role in keeping blood sugar levels under control. Breakfast as the first meal of the day is especially important for diabetics because it helps stabilize blood sugar after an overnight fast and sets the tone for blood glucose levels throughout the day. Renowned health educator Barbara O'Neill highlights the significance of selecting nutrient-dense, low-glycemic foods for diabetics to eat daily. These foods can provide sustained energy, reduce inflammation, and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. In today's video, we will discover 5 best foods for diabetics you should eat every day for breakfast, revealed by Barbara O'Neill.
Proper diet. So what's the proper diet for a diabetic? What was Dan eating? Dan wanted to conquer this and he wanted to conquer it fast, so he made a choice to stop fruit. Not every diabetic has to stop fruit, as long as you go on the low GI. So let's have a look at what a breakfast might be. What would be a low GI breakfast? I'm going to give you breakfast number 1 and breakfast number 2. But as you'll see when looking at these, there's going to be quite a variety. Might be berries. A bowl of berries. Remember, berries is low GI.
Berries are among the most effective fruits for individuals managing diabetes. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins while being relatively low in calories and carbohydrates. One of the major benefits of berries is their low glycemic index. This means that they cause a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. For example, blueberries and strawberries have a glycemic index of around 40 to 53, which is much lower than other sweet fruits. Berries are also packed with soluble fiber, which plays a key role in slowing digestion and glucose absorption. 1 cup of raspberries provides up to 8 grams of fiber, contributing to stable blood sugar levels throughout the morning. The antioxidants found in berries, particularly anthocyanins, offer multiple benefits for diabetics. These compounds have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and protect against oxidative stress, which is common in individuals with diabetes. The anti-inflammatory properties of berries can also reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as cardiovascular diseases. Besides their antioxidant content, berries supply essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and manganese, which support immunity and metabolic processes. Incorporating berries into breakfast is easy and versatile. They can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, chia pudding, or blended into smoothies with nut milk. Berries can also be used as a topping for whole grain pancakes or waffles, providing a nutrient-rich start to the day.
And maybe some chia or flax, ground flax over that.
Chia and flax seeds are often called superfoods due to their impressive nutrient profiles. They are especially beneficial for diabetics because they contain high levels of fiber, healthy fats, and protein, all of which help regulate blood sugar. Chia seeds are unique because they form a gel when soaked in liquid, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and results in a more gradual release of glucose. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains approximately 10 grams of fiber, meeting a significant portion of the daily recommended intake. Flax seeds, on the other hand, are rich in lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may improve insulin sensitivity. Both chia and flax seeds contribute to satiety, preventing mid-morning hunger and reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Their protein content helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports muscle health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in these seeds also play a crucial role in heart health by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure. Incorporating chia or flax seeds into breakfast can be done in various ways. Chia seeds can be used to make pudding by soaking them overnight in nut milk and topping them with berries or nuts. Ground flax seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, providing a nutrient boost with minimal effort.
Maybe some nuts sprinkled on top.
Barbara O'Neill also recommends nuts as an essential addition to a diabetic-friendly breakfast due to their healthy fat, protein, and fiber content. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and other nuts are low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for blood sugar control. The fats in nuts, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are heart-healthy and can improve cholesterol levels. Many diabetics struggle with magnesium deficiencies, which can worsen insulin resistance. Nuts are a rich source of magnesium, providing essential support for blood sugar regulation. For instance, almonds contain about 76 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. The protein and fiber in nuts contribute to feelings of fullness, preventing overeating later in the day. Walnuts, in particular, are high in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are common in people with diabetes. Incorporating nuts into breakfast is simple and convenient. They can be sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt, blended into smoothies, or used to make homemade nut butter. Additionally, a trail mix containing nuts, seeds, and a small amount of dried fruit can serve as a portable and nutritious breakfast option.
Maybe some millet porridge. Millet or brown rice porridge. Brown rice and millet are both fairly low on the GI.
Millet and brown rice are whole grains that provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy throughout the morning. Unlike refined grains, which cause rapid increases in blood sugar, these whole grains have a lower glycemic index and are rich in fiber. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, ensuring a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Millet and brown rice also contain essential B vitamins like niacin and thiamine, which support energy metabolism and nervous system health. These grains are also rich in minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which play critical roles in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Brown rice, in particular, contains resistant starch, a type of fiber that promotes gut health and improves insulin sensitivity. Millet is a versatile grain that can be used to make porridge or pancakes, while brown rice can be incorporated into breakfast bowls with vegetables and eggs. Both grains can be cooked in advance and stored for easy preparation during busy mornings.
Maybe a nut milk, maybe that's almond, maybe it's coconut milk, maybe it's an organic soy.
It was not in vain that Barbara O'Neill included nut milk on this list. Nut milk, such as almond, cashew, or macadamia milk, is an excellent dairy-free alternative for diabetics. Unlike regular milk, most nut milks contain minimal carbohydrates and sugars, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Nut milk is also rich in healthy fats that support heart health and provide lasting energy. Many varieties of nut milk are fortified with vitamins and minerals such as calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. Additionally, nut milk is a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Using nut milk in breakfast is highly versatile. It can be used as a base for smoothies, added to coffee or tea, or used in place of dairy milk for oatmeal and chia pudding. By following Barbara O'Neill's recommendations, diabetics can enjoy delicious and nutritious breakfasts that support their health goals and improve their quality of life. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.